I tested these 3 air purifiers. Today we're gonna really focus on what is the best value for you. They are both all very different price points. I'm gonna tell you what you get with each one. So this is not kind of it has nothing to do with the actual quality of the machines, which we'll get in a second. This one is going to be your higher end one. This is kind of the middle, and this is the lower. And that is just based on price alone. It has nothing to do with the features. As you will see, you're going to be surprised at the end of the video. I've been using all of them. I'm going to kind of give you, can't go wrong with either one of these, but I'll kind of go which I think is kind of the best value based on everything you get. I even took some notes right over here. So this is the AIRDOCTOR 5500. This one right over here is going to be your HEAPETS 339, and this is going to be the HEAPETS right over here 358. So a lot of the functionality is similar to this. Let's just get right off the bat. So they all do air puration. This one right over here, it could do up to 2,500 square feet. So you have a smaller spot, an RV, a small office, something like that. This is gonna be perfect for you. What I like about this, these are all color coded as well. You're probably wondering, this is blue, this is green, this is also green. So each one of these has different metrics. So for example, this one right over here, you'll see this is green. It's saying the air is about 100% pure down here, which is great. And that's going to be in the 85 to 100 range. If it goes to 70 to 84, it's good. If it goes below that, it's bad, and it will indicate right over here. This one goes different speeds. So you have 3 speeds and an auto mode. This has this has a timer, this has a lock, it also has a sleep mode. So if you have pets or something, you're worried about them turning it on and off, you don't have to worry about this. This one has double filtration on both sides. When you get both of these, it's gonna have filters, they're gonna be wrapped in plastic. You wanna take those off before you do that. To get into this one right over here, you're just gonna pull this side down right over here. That's where your filter lives. And then you wanna just make sure this stuff snaps back in place. This is quiet, 25 decibels. This one right here, this is going to be our next one we're going to cover. This is the 339. 7 stages of HEPA filtration, which is nice. This could go in any room. This one here has an app that you could use. This is the only one over here that has an app, which I personally like. I'll show you the features in a second. This one also has an auto mode. So it has the 3 speeds similar to this one, but this also has auto. And how the auto mode works for all of these is basically based on the number or what they deem the air to be. For this one in particular, we went over the numbers. This one has the same thing as well. So if it's green, it's gonna run on the lowest setting because that means the air is great. If it's, I forget what this one goes to. This is green. Blue is going to be fair, and red is going to be like, you gotta like figure some stuff out. This one right over here operates via the top right over here. You got a timer, you got the night mode over here. To get the Wi-Fi going on this one, you're just gonna hold down this over here for 5 seconds, open your phone, download the app, you're good to go from that. We got a handle in the back over here to move this around. This one is super light as well. Really, really nice. I do like the fact it's just easy. And both of these have, this is the filter right here. It has Velcro. So you could take this off and wash it, which I think is a nice feature as well. So both of those have that. And for this one right over here, if you want to take a closer look right over here, you could see right over here, it has the app right over here. So that shows the score on the top. If you wanted to change the mode, the speed, you could do all that. See, it's powered on, and then it's on level 2. Now it's louder, it's on level 3. So really like the app functionality on that one right over there. And of course you could put into auto mode or do whatever you want. This one right over here, the AIRDOCTOR. This one's going to be the heaviest of all. This uses a 3-stage filtration process. It could kind of like clean the air of 1,000 square feet in about 15 minutes. And then 4,100 square feet in about an hour. This one here operates with 2 doors. So this one is on wheels. This has 2 handles as well, one on each side. To change the filters, you're gonna go in here. You have this little net kind of thing right over here, a screen. If you pop this off, there'll be a filter below that, and then another one on the back side. So that's how you get that 3 stages. This also is magnetic, so it does pop in just like that. This one is a little heavier for sure, but you can see here, I'm gonna grab it anyway. This is kind of the top of this one right over here. So you can see right over here, if you wanted to change the speeds right over here, you're just gonna do that by hitting that. This also has the auto setting, which I suggest you keep it in. You could dim it, and then you have the timer right over here. And the timer goes up to 24 hours. So that's just something to note on that. Now, in terms of kind of budget friendly, kind of went over, this is kind of price wise, the most middle least. To be honest, after kind of testing all these and using all the different functionality, seeing how each one worked, I think if you have like a huge space, don't really care about the app or remote, you're just literally gonna hit the auto feature, leave it somewhere, don't even think about it, this is going to be the one for you because you're probably going to be moving it around. I think this is going to be better for like industrial space. I mean, this is used inside houses and stuff like that. But if you kind of want to move something around, this is on wheels. That's probably going to be the one for you. This one right in the middle, I actually think this one is the best value based on the fact it all has similar things. The main difference from this one right over here is going to be that it has 6 speeds. These two only have the 3 speeds. They all have auto mode. These two are definitely more portable. This is the most portable if you want to take it with you. But this one right over here, I think you get the best value just because you get the app, you get the speeds, very similar in the colors and everything like that. This one's super portable. This has the magnetic front as well. They all have the lock. So if you're kind of on a budget, you want to get started, this one is going to be the one for you. And that's going to be the HEAPETS P358. This one is going to be, if you're looking kind of, I honestly like this one the best. That is the P339. And then this one over here is going to be the AIRDOCTOR 5550. Again, you can't go wrong with either one of those. But that's kind of my feedback. I hope you find the right air purifier for you. Like I said, I really like all of these a lot. It's just really just going to depend on your use case, how much space you have. Obviously, this one's going to take up a lot more space. So we're kind of short on space. I think this is the best of both worlds, to be honest. And then if you want to like really travel, take it with you, this is going to be a good option. We use these two a lot. This one kind of is in the basement, but we use these more every day. Hope you found this helpful. You find the right air purifier for you. Give it a thumbs up if you found this helpful. And thanks for watching.